Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate the InsightTrack, the privacy focused web analytics software with your GoHighLevel funnel. Okay, so let me get started step by step. Okay, so I have already logged into my GoHighLevel account. Okay, and I have created two pages in this funnel, though it's a demo just for training purpose, but the process is same when you will work with the live funnels. Okay, so let me log into my InsightTrack account. Okay, first of all, log in, and then I need to grab the URL, okay, that I want to integrate. Okay, so in this case I have a subdomain, but it will be the same for the main domain also. So in this case my domain is training.ghlsaaskits.com. okay, so I will just grab this domain, and then I will get back to InsightTrack dashboard, and then here is a new website button. I'll click on it, and then it will ask me to put the domain name. Okay, so you need to put the domain with exactly like this format. Okay, so if you are not using the subdomain, then just put your domain. Okay, so it will be udomain.com, .net, whatever. Okay, but in this case I'm using my subdomain, that's why it's training.ghlsaaskits.com. okay, so I want to keep it private. Okay, but I can also keep it public or password protected. Yeah, okay, and then you can set up the email notification if you like, but in this case I'm not going to do this. So I just need to set the domain, and then copy this code snippet. Okay, and then hit save. Okay, so I have added the domain. Okay, and the campaign actually set up almost done here in this part. Okay, you can see. And now one more thing, include this code in the head or body tag section of your website. Okay, so I will get back to my GoHighLevel, and now here are a couple of things. Okay, so if you want to track all of the pages of your funnel, then just go to the settings and put the code into the body tracking code. Okay, just paste the code here. Okay, you will get the tracking code here, and then just paste the code into the body tracking code. Okay, and this way it will actually track all of the pages of this individual funnel. Okay, so let's say if you have a sales page, a order form page, or checkout page, a upsell or downsell or thank you page, whatever pages you have, it will actually track all of those pages. But if you want to just track only the one page, then all you just need to go to the editor and then just put the code into the body section of your page. Okay, so let me show you that also. Okay, so here, okay, the tracking code, you have the option header and footer tracking code, so you don't need to do this. Just get the HTML or JavaScript code option from this element. Okay, and then put the code here. Okay, you can put the code anywhere inside the page. Okay, like this, and this way it will only track this single page only. But in my case I'm going to track all of my pages for this funnel. Okay, so I'm going to hit publish. Okay, and then I will go back to the dashboard. Okay, so it's done. Let me go back to the dashboard. Okay, so now it will actually show the data real time. Okay, so by default it's overview, but you need to click here real time if you want to see the real time data. Okay, so let me visit this page. Okay, so it's loading now. Okay, let it load fast. Okay, so I will open this page. Okay, I will open this page into a incognito window. Okay, let me do this. Raise it. Okay, into the incognito window, I opened the page, and now I'll go back to the InsightTrack, and you can see here it's real time showing one visitor. Okay, and it's also showing the browser. Okay, so if I want to see the behavior, which page, okay, it will show that this is the sales page. Okay, let me show here. Yeah, this is the sales page, right? So after the domain, it's sales page. Now it's showing that. And if I want to show the countries or cities, okay, language, we can also do this. So this way you can actually see your visitor real-time data. But for overview, you can also see the data this way. Okay, so this is pretty easy, and this is how you can integrate your GoHighLevel pages, okay, with the InsightTrack. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.